Hello students, today we discuss the next part in your syllabus, that is the types of vascular bundle. So as you know, these vascular bundles are the well developed and distinct vascular bundle is the characteristics of the higher plant, especially the angiospermic plants, that means the flowering plant. So generally in vascular bundles are present in the stele. In each vascular bundles having the two prominent unit, that is the xylems and phloem. So these arrangement of the xylems and phloem will be different in the roots and the stem. So this will be discussed in previous videos. So let's start about the types of vascular bundle. So there are mainly three types of the vascular bundles. First one is the collateral vascular bundle, second one is the concentric vascular bundle, and third one is the radial vascular. So these collateral vascular bundles are again differentiated into three types, that is conjoined collateral open, conjoined collateral closed type, and bicollateral. Then these concentric vascular bundles is again differentiated into two parts or two types, that is hydrocentric and leptocentric. Hydrocentric, that means xylem present in central and it's surrounded by the phloem, and in leptocentric, phloem in central and which is surrounded by the xylem. And third type is the radial vascular bundle. So discuss in detail one by one. The first type of the vascular bundles is the collateral vascular bundle. In that, these collateral vascular bundles is again differentiated into three types. In that, first one is the conjoined collateral open type. So this is the normal structures of the stem. In that, the outer layer is epidermis, then it is followed by the cortex region, then cortex region is followed by the endodermis, then inner to the endodermis there is the pericycle is present, and at the central region there is the vascular bundle. So there are in this section 5 vascular bundles. In that, the xylem is present towards the outside and phloem towards the inside, and in between the xylem and phloem the cambium ring is present. So this is the normal sunflower stem section. So in the conjoined collateral open position, the xylems and phloems are present in the same radius and they are present one above the other. That's why conjoined collateral. And in between these xylem and phloem, the cambium is present. That's why the condition or the type known as the conjoined collateral open. Conjoined, that means xylem and phloem present in the same radius. Collateral, that means these xylem towards the outside, phloem towards the inner side. That means they are present one above the other. That condition known as collateral. And open condition, that means the cambium is present in between the xylem and phloem. So this is the first types of the collateral. Then the second type of the collateral, that is conjoined collateral and closed type. So outer structure is similar. These in epidermis, outer layer is epidermis. In that there is the ground tissue, and in the ground tissue the vascular bundles are arranged or they are present scatterly. So you have to see these structures of the maize stem. In that, the X means xylem and P means phloem. So in vascular bundles, the xylem and phloem present in the same radius. So xylem and phloem is the present in same radius. That's why it is called conjoined. Then collateral, that means xylem and phloem present one above the other, that is the collateral. And closed condition, that means the cambium is absent in between the xylem and phloem. ओपन टाइप में हमने क्या देखा कि वहाँ पे कैम्बियम रिंग इज प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन द जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम। क्लोज कंडीशन में क्या रहता है, वहाँ पे कैम्बियम एब्सेंट रहता है, ओनली जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम आर प्रेजेंट। सो in conjoined collateral closed condition, these xylem and phloem present in same radius, they are present in one above the other, and the cambium ring is absent. So this is the second type of the collateral. Then third type of the collateral type, that is the bicollateral, and its example is the Marsilia rhizomes or stem. So you have to see this picture. In that, the outer layer is phloem, then in between xylem, then again at the inner side there is the phloem. So in that case, in bicollateral, the xylem and phloem present in the same radius. These xylem and phloem lies one above the other, that is the concentric conditions, and the xylem is surrounded by the phloem on the other sides. That's why these conditions called as the bicollateral. So simple form in that these only the xylem and phloem are the same radius. Then xylem and phloem lies one above the other, but the xylem is also surrounded by the phloem on other sides. That's why these conditions or this type is known as the bicollateral. So this is the three types in collateral vascular bundles. That is, first one is conjoined collateral open, second conjoined collateral close, and third one is the bicollateral. Then next main type of the vascular bundles are the concentric vascular bundle. These concentric vascular bundles is having two types, hydrocentric and leptocentric. So hydrocentric, that means with, you have to see in this figure, the outer side phloem is present and at the inner side xylem is present. So this xylem and phloem forms the concentric ring, and the xylem present at the inner side. In that condition, this type is known as the hydrocentric. That is, xylem present at inner sides and xylem phloem form the concentric rings. In leptocentric, the conditions it's opposite to the hydrocentric. That means both xylem and phloem in the they forms concentric rings, but the phloem present at the inner sides and xylem outside. So it is only the difference between the positions of the xylem and phloem. Hydrocentric में xylem present at the inner sides, and in leptocentric the phloem present in the inner side. And in both these xylem and phloems, in both type they forms the concentric rings. Then third type is the radial vascular bundle. So in radial vascular bundles, these xylem and phloem lies in different radius. You have to see in these pictures of the radial vascular bundle. So one xylem stands, then phloem stands. Again, फिर xylem stand, phloem stand is arranged in circular positions. So they are present in different radius. So these are the three different types of vascular bundles. They are present in different types of plants. The main three types, that is, first one is the collateral, second one is the concentric, and third one is the radial. Collateral vascular bundles is again three types: conjoined collateral open, conjoined collateral close, and bicollateral. Concentric vascular bundle is again differentiated into two parts, that is in hydrocentric and leptocentric. In radial vascular bundles, the xylem and phloem are present in the different radius. So this is about the types of the vascular bundles.